Good morning, YouTube. This is now from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with two reveals that I received for swaps. This was the zine that I did for the month of March, and I have the video link below. But anyway, so I sent this out. One is on the way out, and the other one I sent out. The first one I got back was from Katherine Benjamin, and mine to hers is being mailed today. And she is from the Virgin Islands, and she sent me her zine. So all the way down there in St. Thomas. So she sent me a little note and her zine and some goodies. And the sticker says, happiness is getting what you want. Happiness isn't getting what you want. It's waiting what you've got. Gosh, I can't read. Wanting what you got. So you gotta eat breakfast. Happiness isn't getting what you want. It's wanting what you've got. Oh my goodness. Anyway, she made this little pocket. She stuck some stickers in here. It says, with God, all things are possible. Matthew 19:26. That definitely will be used. Best date and butterflies. You know you can always use butterflies on everything. Gosh, with spring, it's just making me think about spring. That says, hello, life. And so this is her zine. This is the Virgin Islands. I have not been to the Virgin Islands. So she's down there in St. Thomas. So it says, welcome, St. Thomas. And she has a map. Perfect weather 90% of the time. Oh my goodness, don't forget your sunglasses. I can imagine right now. I would love to be down here. Tourism is a vital part of our economy. We have major docks to support, cruise ships. We have many beaches. One of the top is it Megan's Beach? Enjoy snorkeling, one of the many pastimes of the beach. There is a great variety of sea life. Like most tropical places, we have a variety of flowers that bloom all year. And yum, stress-free zone, relax and enjoy. Yeah, that's why I want to go there. And thanks for stopping by. Made by Katherine Benjamin, March 2018. Blessings. Thank you so much for that. And then my other one I haven't looked at yet was from Ms. Deesspecialthings. And let's see what she has in here. Oh, she's got a nice bill to it, some flowers. So these kind of like a plastic feel. I can use them in some mixed media. Nice, like jelly. Okay.
I told you I scared you.
I know, but I want to feel.
I told you.
Okay, you did. You scared me. You scared me. You was determined to do that. So anyway, this is some deli paper. Okay, can you go cough in the other room? Go get a cough drop.
I'm going to that.
Wait till I'm off. Finish this video. So, oh, look what she made me. Nice little envelope. So I saw her when she was doing her sweet treats. And this is some more paper. See, I can use all of this right here in mixed media. And I saw this when she was making her sweet treats. Oh, these are so cute because you inspired me. I wanted to make some of these. These are so nice and sturdy. You did such an awesome job. And I love, thank you. I love how they feel. They are so adorable. Definitely will get used.
Yep.
And that says thank you. And look at that. Love that little washi. Zine fun. Oh, what did you find? Oh, you wrote that in there. What did you find? That was cute. I'm going to open that last.
For me?
I'm going to talk about you.
I open it?
Oh, and I love this. Oh, yes. Perfect for mixed media. And, you know, Miss D is always doing some nice stuff with mixed media. This is so nice. Yes, thank you. Where did you find this at? See, I don't know where to get those papers from. So I have plenty of that, and I definitely will use it. And this is in my favorite color, red. So that's perfect. And, of course, some newsprint. So I could definitely use this. I love this. This will be getting used soon because I'm going to make some iCads and some ATCs. So this will be included. Thank you. Smile, laugh, love, grow, happy today. Oh, this is her note. Do small things with great love. Life is better when you're laughing. Yes, it is. She told me, thank you, ladies, for swapping with her. Have fun with the zine project. Oh, good. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, I like your zine. She said she wasn't happy with the zine. Miss D, I love your zine. Yes, I like mixed media. Yes, I love the deli paper. Yes. Yes, I will enjoy it. Yes, I do like mixed media. I'm not necessarily the best at it, but my sister turned me on to it a few years ago. Wait a minute. And I do some in my journaling book, and I'm trying to get better. Okay, go ahead, stick your face in there. Okay, they don't want to.
Your school AR book.
Yearbook. You can't open it up. Okay, your yearbook. It's yearbook. Okay, he just wants y'all to. So anyway, this is friends, yeah.
Your friends.
So some more deli paper. That's for your yearbook. I love the deli paper, and we'll definitely be using it. I love the colors of red in it.
Bye-bye.
And these never give up. So I can color these. Shh, okay. You know what people want, their attention.
Yep.
He said, yep, he admitted it. Never give up. Choose to see the good things. Oh, I like these. I haven't seen these. Take like one cup at a time. It's always coffee time. Real good coffee. See, he wants to spread his germs again, and I got over that cold, and he over there coughing again.
No, I'm coughing my mouth.
So let me show you her Z. I thought it was absolutely pretty. This is what she was doing for the Sweet Treats collab with Memory Lanes. Life is sweet, and look at that. So you can see the washi, you can see the wooden hearts right there, and embellishments, and then she's got everything gold for around the edges. I love that. It says passion, desire. Yes, you know, we all desire some yummy ice cream. The sprinkles make everything better, and donuts. She gonna make me hungry. Life is sweet with friends like you. And look, you can see the rick rack right here, the lace trim, the ribbon, and everything. I love the dimension of it. A warm smile, a cozy hug, and something yummy is in the mug. Cute.
Something yummy in the mug?
Yeah, see, look.
A milkshake.
A treat for some sweet. Enjoy, and I love the little X's around it and the stamping in the background. So everything, the macaroons, everything, Miss D, is perfect. So, ladies, I want to tell you both thank you for the zines.
Why
I will
not
put
men?
them
Why not men?
because I didn't get one from a man. I got it from 2 women. That's the only reason. Anyways, I want to thank both of you ladies for my zines. They will be housed nicely. These are my first zine, so thank you so much.
For watching?
I have 3 now because I have one from Miss Tina. And then you 2 ladies. So I have 3 zines. So yay, I'm building my collection of zines. So anyway, take care and thanks for watching. And we will have the next episode on the first Thursday of the month. So that would be April. The first Thursday in April, we will have our new zines up. And again, we don't have any particular thing. We just do anything. So you can play along with us. And it's with Craze Zine Collab will tell them thank you. All right, so you guys take care. Thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless.
Do it yet.